I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Things felt like I'm ready to.
Hey, it's Lily. Welcome back to my channel. If you think I sound a little bit sick, I am sick, but the show must go on. Absolute basics of what you need if you want to start doing makeup. And then I'll show you guys a couple of my products, and then at the end of this video we're just gonna look through my entire routine. I have more detailed videos on how I do my makeup on my channel. Look at my setup. I have a mirror. I got this from either Marshalls or TJ Maxx, one of those. Bottom part where it's an organizer, so it's a bunch of like lip gloss, just a lot of different compartments for me to put on my makeup. And I have more things on the side, like I keep all my brushes in here and in the turntable that I'm going to show, which I just keep a couple of brushes. I keep some face stuff, lotion, like really my stuff that I still use fairly often. I don't really wear foundation. Personally, if I feel like I just want a really even look, I just go in with a tinted moisturizer. Recently, I've been using the e.l.f. Halo Glow, and I'm using this in shade 8 primer. I think primer is actually really important. Ever since I started using primer, I've been seeing a difference in my makeup. And don't worry, I'm going to have a comprehensive list in the description box below, so make sure you're reading the description. A concealer. I'm using the Juvias Place concealer in shade 8. Wow, that's kind of common. Like shade 8 and like everything. And that's what I'm using in the end of this video, so stay tuned to see how that looks on my skin tone. So for similar skin tone or skin color, you can definitely try out my shades and see if those work for you. Blush. I have a small range of blushes. Like I have the Selena Gomez brand Rare Beauty, which is a little bit more on the pricier side. The e.l.f. blushes. I have 3 e.l.f. blushes, and I think these are great blushes and they're super affordable. So I recommend these personally. And I also have Juvias Place blushes. So I have their liquid blush in Perky Poppy. I love this color on me. And this, yeah, Perky Poppy is really pretty. I'm going to try and just keep this super affordable because if you're just starting out with makeup, I don't recommend just immediately buying high-end brand stuff because you're going to want to just practice, you know? Concealers I started off with were the LA Girl concealers. I really like these. I use a range of shades. If you watch my other makeup videos, I know in one of them, I'll probably link it, I literally swatch all of them on my face. So if you want to see how they look on a deep skin tone, I literally have all the like darkest ones. If you want to see how they look on deep skin tone like mine, I have a little bit warm undertones, then go ahead and watch this video that I'm gonna link. It'll probably pop up like at the top. And then like a mascara. I've been using the Fenty Beauty one because this is just the one my sister gave to me. I don't love it. It's really clumpy actually, but any mascara will do. You don't have to buy the exact things that I'm going to put in the description. These are just things I've been using and I'm fine with. So in the end video, you're going to see going in with this spoolie. So if you don't know, oh my god, I dropped a Q-tip. This is a spoolie, just like mascara wands that are just, you know, not in a mascara tube. They're completely clean. I recommend getting a pack of these from either like Shein, Amazon, one of those places where you can just get stuff really cheap. And I use this for brows. I use it for just pick up and like clean stuff up and do what I need to do. Q-tips, if you don't have Q-tips at your house already, LOL. A brow gel. I don't know the state of your brows, but I like to use the Glossier one. I just use the black one. I don't remember how affordable this is. I'm sure it's like above $10. I'm sure you can find a cheaper one, but this is the one I really like to use. I like to use the MAC eyeliner, but e.l.f. has really good eyeliner. I feel like this is comparable. Do not share this. Do not share your liquid eyeliners like this. I'm using my MAC one in the video at the end. I suggest, especially if you're a black girl or a brown girl, using a lip liner. So I have a range of lip liners. I have a Juvias Place one that is in a friend's hands right now. But I have a Ruby's Kisses one. Sometimes I use like this eyebrow pencil. This brow pencil. Makeup is really versatile, so you can really use a lot of things for different things, if that makes sense. Like I have a friend that uses her lip gloss as blush because she really likes the lip color on her, and so she also uses that blush. You know, you can really mix and match. You know what I'm saying? Nice application, a really smooth finish. It's important to have. I don't really think you need to have both, especially if you're just starting out. But either having a finishing powder. This one is from the Lip Bar. I have a more affordable one as well from NYX. This one's super affordable. And it's translucent, so it'll work with any shade. But you know, I like to have options. And then, or like a bacon set powder. This is a loose setting powder from Morphe. This is the pink one. So in the video, I am using this one. A lot of people use beauty blenders. This is the pack of brushes I have from Amazon. Literally, this was like $8, and it has every brush that I have, I think, and more. I have some of the same brushes. So like these are the brushes I use. Some of these are from Ipsy boxes, so like this is a really nice brush. This is some cheap brush I bought from like a beauty supply store. So like this is good for like highlight. I just use this solely for highlight. That's why I got a cheap one. You know, fluffy brushes. And you can kind of see in the video what kind of brushes I'm using for what type of thing. So like you're gonna see me use this big like sort of angled brush, like a big fluffy brush. Like that's really nice for blush, or I'll use one like this for blush. It doesn't have to be angled. This e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush has been through the ringer with me. I've had this for 3+ years. She's a little wobbly. I don't know if you can hear that. I used to use this for blush. I used to just use this for tinted moisturizer. I literally use this brush for whatever I want. I love this brush. It's just a nice density. I feel like it applies nicely. And then, you know, a bunch of like little smaller brushes to apply like eyeshadow and things. I have slightly hooded eyes or hooded eyes. So when you look at me, right, you can see like I do have a fold, so they are like hooded or like a little bit hooded, but you can still see like parts of my eyelid. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm also wearing my glasses today because I just don't feel great today, but that's kind of like the overview. Lip liner. I'm sure you already have lip gloss, I hope. If not, just go get some lip gloss from the beauty supply store. I love these ones. I have these in a bunch of different flavors or colors, whatever. I don't even want to tell y'all how many NYX Butter Glosses I have. But my favorite NYX Butter Gloss combo is going to have to be, I want to say, Bit of Honey and then a little bit of creme brulee in the middle. That gives a really pretty look with a brown lip liner, of course. Just having an eyeshadow palette with like the really basic colors. And yeah, and then whatever like highlighter. I don't know if you really want to get into contour. I don't suggest getting into contour until you're comfortable with like the basics of like foundation, concealer, maybe spice it up with a little highlight, and doing mascara. I feel like those are the basics. And then like a little cute lip. You're good. You're good to go. You're done. Go outside, have fun, party. Or go to work, whatever. So yeah, let's just get into this. See how much better I looked last night.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Being felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Kim be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Being felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? Yeah. What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm rubbing a stain out. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wear lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I hit the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him brick. It ain't over with, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave.
On my knee, all this big it, hop off a chick, and it get rich. Catch through the more, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my jeans. Chanel a dress, you know I miss. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. You told me 10, and they club boy like I Uber the jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, gon' get used to the rest. With this school where they teach you for this. I earn this shoes with a drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. All the cool fast when they in with it.
Now that I'm home, back up the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, in them a fold, sand on my feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, covered with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, it's bigger windows, but I be the intent, but I got the info. I feel like I'm frozen, I'm covered in gold.
On my knee, all this big it, hop off a chick, and it get rich. Catch through the more, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my jeans. Chanel a dress, clean up a mess. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed.
You told me text me, and these good boy like I Uber the jets. VVS is on me, got my Louis shirt wet. Said him in my bag and get used to these racks.
With this school where they teach you for this. I earn this shoes with a drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. Know the cool fast when they in with it is.
Got bottles every color, and I got CCs you ain't seen yet. So I picked the cup, and now I'm asking where to go deep at. But it money's enough, and I'm tripping miles on team.
Mr. Genius Idiot.
Same group of bitches, ain't no add to the picture. Drop a couple racks, work his ass.
ass get thicker. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, make that fake ass cold. I'm the realest bitch ever see snake ass hoes. Act up,